Afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the newspaper of Thursday, July the 27th, 2023, we have here one regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. 2 tectonics, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. Why? Well, why half of those puzzles and not all? Well, otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, here the coast of the Netherlands, we have here a cargo ship carrying 3,000 cars. It's in fire. Yes, in fire. The cars, electric cars, are very dangerous, especially when they explode or in fire. Same like your mobile phone. Suddenly they explode or in fire. Yeah. So they are trying to save the cars, but well, I think the ship will be cannot be saved, and they cannot put there are several people yeah, several people. I believe one person is dead, and several people are injured. Yeah. All right. Enough with the news. Puzzle number 6818. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot again. 29 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1-star puzzle in the additional. The 1-star has always 27 printed digits, and I need to be faster than 15 minutes for a 1-star. This one maybe 40 minutes, 30 minutes. We don't know. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 5 in the third row? 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. Last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. A 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. How about the 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column? So in the first column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Oh, 6, 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the number? The 3 in this row. 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. then 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in the first column could be here, could be there, here or there. You see another 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 3, need a 3 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Well, here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. So the 3 in the first row could be here, could be there, here or there. You see another 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright, okay. Then, how about the 2 in this column, the 2 in that column? So in the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. We have a pair, I believe. Yeah. Wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these two boxes. Here, 2 in the first row, no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 and 3 in the last column. 2 and 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column, second row. So no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s. No, not used. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. And now. How about 199. 99. Okay. 9. 6. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 6. Should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Okay. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 8. Okay. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Yeah. 2 missing numbers here. 7, 9, 1, and 8. Oh, okay. Need to wait here. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7. Come on. 1, 4, 7, 8. 1, 4, 7, 8. 4 and 9. I'm thinking. Need a 9 there. 1, 8, 4, 8, 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 148. 148, 148, 148. And look, this box can be a 1, we have a 1 here. And this box can also not be an 8, we have an 8 in this big square. So the 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So what is left here should be the 4 then. Okay. So 2 numbers left now in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, let me mark those. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes, in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these two boxes here. 1 in this column. No 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in the second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 8. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 7. And that box should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and then 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the This column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, see you later on.